Time now for our special series, Biz Focus. The digital economy has become an important engine for stabilizing global economic growth, and many Chinese enterprises are looking for opportunities to expand overseas in this area. And in today's Biz Focus, my colleagues Aaron Liu and Zhu Zhu will find out how some Chinese enterprises have ramped up efforts to strengthen their international presence in the digital economy. Biz Focus, feeling China's economic pulse. China has established a national data bureau to actively promote the construction of the data element market and facilitate international cooperation in digital technology. Our reporter Aaron Liu interviewed a trade delegation from Bahrain. They hope to accelerate local industrial transformation through cooperation with Chinese technology companies. Take a look.
The digital economy has emerged as a vital engine for ensuring stable economic growth and driving transformation. Recently, Bahrain's minister led a delegation of senior government and business representatives from Bahrain to visit Chinese companies.
We look for both investment in Bahrain and investment outside of Bahrain into China. Today we visited a company which has benefited from Bahrain investment into them in the ICT sector. And likewise, we look for Chinese investment as foreign direct investment into Bahrain.
Terminus Group has ingeniously crafted urban planning and management solutions centered around green, efficient, and market-oriented technologies.
Previously, we mentioned that digital personalization was mainly focused on the production process, but now in the context of the digital economy of the Internet of Things, we actually mean that customization needs to be considered for the entire ecosystem. Only then can we achieve our comprehensive goal of low carbon.
There's a heavy focus on artificial intelligence right now, and we're currently studying and assessing how best to use it to serve our objectives and needs nationally.
And AIoT solutions and services, Terminus Group successfully facilitated the digitalization of events, showcasing its capability by supplying over 150 robots to the organizers.
The delegation is very interested in the products of Chinese technology companies during this visit. They hope to understand the most advanced technologies. Now, since the emergence of ChatGPT, I think everyone's very clear this next era is the era of artificial intelligence. Digital technology has changed the world.
The two sides engaged in discussions on topics such as digital infrastructure development, high-end manufacturing, and exchange and cultivation of technology talents.